Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. So if you are too busy and if you don't want to get the notification on a specific days on Instagram, then there is the sleep mode for you on Instagram. So if you want to know all the details about the sleep mode and if you want to turn it off if you have already turned on, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, I will tell you what is the sleep mode. Basically, sleep mode is a function which allows you to turn off or quiet the notification for a specific days and time, so that you don't get the notification. And if you are in a sleep, so you will not get the notification from the Instagram. So you can simply set the sleep mode, and after that you can simply do the setting. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile, and after that you have to simply click on three lines here. And after clicking on three lines, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the notification section. So in notification section, you will find the option of sleep mode here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply, if you want to turn it off, then you have to simply turn off this toggle. So your sleep mode will be turned off. But if you want to add the sleep mode, then you can simply see the settings here. So it will start from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. on Sunday and Saturday. But if you want to add more days, you can simply do that here. If you want to change the timing, you can also do that here from here. Or you can also choose the end time. But if you want to simply turn it off, then you can simply turn this toggle off and your sleep mode will be turned off. And you will get the notification even in your sleeping time, so without any problem. So you will get the notification. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.